Hi, and welcome to another video. Today, I'll be creating a massive vivarium made in a fish tank for 3 colonies in Queens. If you want to help decide what queens I put in this vivarium, then follow me on Instagram so you can decide what I choose. The things you'll need for this vivarium is 1. A fish tank, fuel ants and life around them to grow and nourish inside. I recommend cleaning it so you can see the ants foraging and digging their tunnels. 2. Rocks to filter the water, so that the water doesn't sit in the dirt and build up any bad bacteria that could harm your ants. 3. Fly screen, or something to allow water to go into, but blocking dirt or anything like that. 4. Sand. This is optional, as you don't need it unless you're using sand instead of dirt. 5. Decorations. I'm using small bits of shells, rocks and sticks. I'm using driftwood and native plants, like pigface. It grows on the native beaches near me, with also some other cactuses that I got from my local Bunnings.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this inspired or helped you create your own fish tank vivarium. Subscribe and go check out my Instagram to vote and choose the ants that will be inhabiting these lands, as well as the eco life.